What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Matt are out looking for some scrap and treasures, and Matt has just clipped a cord off something, and we'll see if we can find some goodies in the truck, so hopefully we can fill it up tonight. I don't know if we got anything in this one or not. Maybe one of them knots. Yeah, that's something, ain't it? Yay! It looks like the neoprene or coaxial one. I can't tell. Let me look at it. Coaxial. Just coaxial. You want that? I don't know.
There you go.
Somebody get it. Yeah, something. Oh, there's a power washer here.
Yeah, I was trying to get to all this shit. Yeah, I was in there.
Hold on, truck. Let me turn you off. Need that barrel too. I think I'll pass on it, actually. The hose was... There's a deer antler. Do you want it? Yeah. Well, a cigar. Smells like mosquitoes. That one looks like it might have. Regular trash. I guess that's gonna be it. Yeah, there's a deer antler down there, but I don't want to mess with it. It's all squirrels that got to it and stuff. Good to go. That's funny. I don't know what we'll do with them, but that's funny. It's not recyclable. I don't know why they put it in the recycle dumpster, but might grab some weird stuff sometimes. Let's see what else Matt pulls out of there. If there's anything real good, he would have hollered at me, so. Looks like my dad.
This one's skinnier.
Is that aluminum or plastic? Rah! Plastic. Back up to it a little bit. What are y'all looking at? Y'all never seen somebody scrapping before? Oh gosh. Matt picked it up like, oh, what's that? Smell the cockroaches. Yay! It's a nasty stove. Matt, you about got it loaded before I could even drop the tailgate. Okay. Did you hold your breath?
Yeah.
It's like it stinks, doesn't it? This will fit my truck. More than, yeah, I probably shouldn't have grabbed it, but looks good. Oh goodness, that's heavy. Oh. There we go. I'm gonna back up to this one. We checked it, it is full. I don't know, I think chairs and I don't know what all's in there, but it ain't worth carrying far and letting y'all deal with that. So y'all just gotta deal with me backing up. Oh, do you want me to pull up some? Oh, man. What did we get ourselves into? Alright. Got us a foldy.
Right. Get stuck on something.
That's a good chair. To be scrapped.
Someone could have used that.
I don't even know where to start.
Hi.
There's your sides.
I found your balls.
Oh, they're blue too. Sorry for the inappropriate jokes if you're offended.
Maybe this time after you.
Blue.
Don't touch me.
Sorry.
Why?
What's all in here? So we may have to get in before it's all said and done because there's stuff.
There's a pull pump down here.
There's a.
Oh, God.
There it goes. Dive in. Belly flop. There's carpet. You're fine.
Yeah, a little bit.
No, don't do that. I'm just kidding. Look at them nice chairs, Bill.
Yeah, someone could use them at the junkyard.
Yeah. Those are.
Well, they actually are pretty nice.
They really are nice. Come on, I don't want to put them on a cockroach stove. Let me get in there and reorganize stuff. Nah, they got a rip in them.
Oh, we can't be having that then.
Yeah. Somebody had to pick up a spare tire.
An aquarium I'm standing on.
Oh, that'll hold you up nicely.
Yeah. Still gotta put my leg. You're so strong.
Not really.
You might just breathe hard.
Yeah. I might breathe hard, huh?
He's strong. He ain't got nothing wrong with him, just overweight a little, like me.
Strongly motivated.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do breathe hard though on some of the videos. This GoPro's right on next to my mouth.
Oh, I heard something. I hate y'all kind of scrappers.
We're digging in bags.
What is that? What is that?
Oh, it's a mini fridge.
Mini wine chiller.
Ah,
Oh, I didn't want to.
somebody cleaned out their garage. What do you need?
Lose weight.
Lose weight. Watch that aquarium.
It'll hold me up, you said.
Not like that, not the back of your leg. that thing. I'll leave that there where you can get in. Pull pump. God, that's a mile. That's a cord there. A couple dollars worth. What do you need, Matt? What do you want me to do? Set that on the ground if you want. Here.
There's a vacuum under there too.
We'll take it all. Them chairs aren't bad though, besides having a rip in them. Yay! Let me get the cutters. Let me go get the cutters for you.
Found goldfish from my aquarium.
All right. You did.
Who else could find goldfish in an aquarium? Okay.
That's heavy. It's gonna cut that if I can get that out of my back pocket. Any money in it?
Found me a birthday card. Another year older.
Scrappity found one the other day and it still had money in the card.
Cut my mouth and had a great birthday.
There's your cooler. It's your color and everything. Might have $1 million in it. You want it?
Try and get to the rest of these metal chairs. That's what I used to be in summer '89.
A Playmate?
Yeah. I was on the front cover of Kmart and Husky section.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I used to write for the Alabama Chronicles.
I've got that darn thing sitting. I need to put it over here.
There's another mini fridge.
We'll take them. That one, I said we'll take them. If you want, it's up to you. You're the one in there. I know you gotta move a lot of crap, so. Your new gloves. Man, we got enough for a whole family. I have family dinner in these chairs. There's some aluminums. Clean. Oh, ready. Cut you up, blade. It's got a hole or something in it. You still want it?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something with it.
I'll set it up like.
Set it like that.
Yeah. Here, let me put it down that bucket, that little bucket. I don't know if it's big enough. There's all kinds of buckets in there, probably.
Never heard that. No, that's all right.
Don't put it in there.
Play it up like we had it.
All right. There we go. They make dog beds that are Sertas. That's a Serta dog bed. That dog's sleeping better than I am.
No, he's not. His mattress is in here.
Oh, that's true. He's probably sleeping in dog heaven. All dogs go. Is that it, Bill? Not a bad little stuff. Oh, damn. There's something in here. I don't know what it is. Ah, nothing. Matt said he found something. If we found it, we have to record it. If we talked about it, I don't know what it is.
Paper clip.
Oh. I was talking about that on before we started when we were not finding anything. I said we hadn't even found a paper clip.
We're going pencils.
Oh yeah, man.
Ow! That's 7.5 cents, bro.
That's right. You want to?
Nah.
No.
There's a plastic
Oh,
pipe.
there goes our weight. Oh, this bag was open. Dadgummit.
What'd you do that for?
I left it dirtier than I have to get my magnet and clean up my mess. Look at the. Put it in that stove. You getting in for them pencils? I'll clean up my mess. Can't leave it like that. Oh. I've got all my pencils. I got them last time I was here. So you can have all them.
It's a bomb.
It's a mouse timer. Got them all.
No, it's not. This one's the primary timer.
Oh. Heavyweight right there. Y'all see the truck squat? Woo! We can keep going now. Heck yeah. Look at the glue sticks.
That's what I told you.
Here, that's to put our flashlights in.
Oh God. Grab that for my child. Construction paper. Please and thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you want to touch my squishy?
You want it?
No, I just want to get through it.
Yeah, there's 2 packages back there.
You did it.
You did it.
What we look for?
There's a package of...
A what?
There's pencils back there if you want them.
They're not in there.
Oh, they're not? They made you jump in for nothing? Fireworks are going off if y'all hear all that.
I don't know, it might be gunshots.
Well, yeah, we are in our working.
Need that.
You're number 1. Look at the glue sticks. That's what I used to do in kindergarten, is eat and sniff glue. That's why I had to take 2 years of it.
You're special.
I hear that timer.
It ain't funny when it blows up.
It's gonna go off and scare you. How long did you put?
Oh, I can't tell time.
Dang. Those are all unopened, aren't they? Yeah, those are all good. Dang. Who does that?
There's some
Hand sanitizer.
There's a ink.
That stamp was over here somewhere.
There's another one here.
See if it works. Just for curiosity reasons.
Yeah. Looks like three.
Kind of like us, halfway. All right, let me get your... Putting your plug down in this glue thing. Jolly Ranchers?
Unopened bag. About to open it. Oh, Lord.
Oh, man. Jolly Ranchers smell good. Huh? No, I don't. I don't reckon. You want it?
It's a milk crate for a gallon of milk.
Or 2 half gallons.
Yeah, well, however you look at it.
You want it?
Nah.
I'll sit it right here. Somebody might need that. Those are like $1. Oh, okay. Let me back the tailgate up. Truck up. Man, you did that with ease.
What kid's drinking Corona?
I don't know.
That doesn't roach.
Carocha.
He's gonna get recycled.
All right, leave that for the next person. There's a lamp with a cord. We're on the hillside dumpster. Let me see if I can. Is it metal? Matt says it is. I don't like to really check this one that much. Oh, it's plastic in it. He just got the cord. Yeah. Some birthday cards there. Well guys, this is gonna be the last dumpster. It's dark and we did our little circle Friday night. Ain't bad. Found a few cool things, I guess. See if there's anything in here. And I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching and hanging out with us. Hope y'all enjoyed it and all that good stuff. Tell me what y'all think about it. Well, we found a stove, 2 mini fridges, a bunch of glue sticks, some chairs, all kinds of cool stuff. But that's it. Matt, you got anything to say? No. Matt says no. So thank y'all so much for watching. Like I said, y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next one.